Okay, so hi everyone. This is a screencast that I've made to try and explain better the curation project and how to do it. So we're going to be using the topic of segmentation, target market, and positioning. You're going to be using all three topics because it's one chapter. And you have two options to complete this midterm. One is going to be a video playlist where you find 5 videos for each topic that you feel really explain very well or get across the concept of either segmentation, target market, and positioning. For each video, you will explain why you chose it and why you believe this is a good video and what other students will get or benefit from it. Your second option is to compile real-world examples in which you need to find 15 total examples, 5 of them images, 5 of them articles, and 5 of them videos that illustrate the segmentation, target market, and positioning concept as a whole, or it can be in bits. If you do it by subtopic, then just make sure that you cover all 3 of them. And again, for each one, you're going to explain how it demonstrates or showcases the topic that it's representing, what strategies they're using, and for both projects, try to use marketing vocabulary. Now this you're going to find here on Blackboard. So it's the midterm curation. To represent this, whichever project you choose, we are going to use Padlet, which you can get to Padlet through here. So once you go into Padlet and you create your own account, then you have your own dashboard. Over here, you can change or modify to make sure that you have it in a column setting. So I don't want you guys to use midterm. I want you guys to create 3 columns. One for segmentation, one for targeting, and one for positioning. Or STP if you find things that cover all 3 topics of them. The way we go about this is you go and you find a video you like, right? So once you find, and I put this one in here, and hopefully I can get through this again, unless Padlet interrupts, the screen recording interrupts me again. But you click here and it's going to ask you for a title, so you can put the title of your video, and then you're going to be able to write text right under it. And this is where you're going to find the explanation for your video, and then you're going to add the link to your video. So let me see if I can showcase you guys how this works. So you hit here, for example, benefit. Okay, I'm not really sure what happened, but it stopped again. And then you click here. There's something when I type that it just throws it off. So you type in here the title, you're going to write in here the explanation for the video, and then you click here to add the link, whether to the article or to the video, depending, or the image, depending on which project you're doing, until you have the 5 under segmentation, 5 under target market, and 5 under positioning if you're doing the video playlist, or however you distribute it if you're doing the real world. Once you have this done, then you're going to share your Padlet with me. So you're going to share it to the marketing principles. You can search by searching my name or by searching me, and it will get you there. Oh, okay. So then here you can type whatever it is that you're going to write as your description. And then to add the video, the image, or the article, you click on link and you paste your link there, and then you hit save and it'll show up. So it'll be the same thing. If you want to add a column, you hit here, then you add the number of the name of your column, let's say target market, and you save it, and then it creates the column. So then when you want to share it, you'll hit here, and you can either add members, in which case you can add me, or you can copy a link of your Padlet, see, and then you can go back in here, go into the class Padlet or find me, and you post it here. And then you hit save. And eventually it'll save up and it'll show me your Padlet, and here I can go to it. Obviously, when you come in to drop your Padlet, this is all that's going to show up. It's just midterm. There's not going to be any of this. So hopefully this helps you in terms of how to construct and the main idea behind your midterm curation project. If you guys have any questions, please email me or let me know so that I can help you get through this. We're gonna have this due probably November 1st. So that should give you enough time to complete it, since we're gonna cover these topics next week.